beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely amazing French curls using Xpression braiding hair, and the rod I use is my clothes rack rod. So that is what we are going to be using to achieve this gorgeous DIY coily hair. So I'm already using a pre-stretched hair. I would advise, if you want to do this, use a pre-stretched hair. It will be very easy for you, and no need of you kind of dipping the hair into the water before doing this. If you want to dip the hair into the hot water, feel free to do that. The previous one I dipped the hair into the hot water before I coil it. If you want it to be very slicky, not that it will be slicky when you dip it into the hot water now, it will, but if you still want it to be kind of very slicky, first dip it into the hot water before you wrap it around the rod. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm using Brazilian wool. You can use any wool of your choice to secure the hair at the middle, to secure it down. I didn't remove the elastic band that came with the pre-stretched hair, so I use Lagos braid pre-stretched hair. So you can use any pre-stretched hair of your choice. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm just want to secure the hair down first before I start wrapping. Then I cut the excess wool off. Then I ran out of mousse. Very painful. I don't want to go to the store and start getting mousse because I just need to get this video out of the way. So I use a little bit of mousse I have. You have to use mousse. Very important. If you don't want to dip this into the hot water, just to take away all the flyaways. So it's better for you to use mousse from the beginning. That you can see what I'm doing. Then you can see what I'm doing. I'm flat rolling, not twist roll. Make sure you flat roll, and you have to take it easy when rolling, and make sure you hold the grip of the rolling, hold it tight. Do not allow it to loose. So can you please keep on enjoying this amazing video? Let's keep on watching together. So let me just keep quiet so that you can get the other side. So before that, when I'm done wrapping that, I'm going to use a band to hold it down. So thank you so much for watching. Can you please keep on enjoying watching this amazing tutorial? So that's why I said you have to use mousse to hold all the flyaways. So after that, I'm going to be dipping the hair into the hot water. I just show a little bit of the parts on camera because I took this to the bath, then I put enough hot water inside the bath. I don't want hot water to pour on my body, so that was why I just show a little bit of the part on camera. So now the hair is dry a little, not really dry, you understand? So I just want to take this out so that it will get dry on time, because if you don't take this out from the rod, it will take time before it can get dry. Just keep on watching for you to see the amazing final look. So I put this outside, I allow it to dry. Then after the hair is dry, I spray on sheen to add some shine. So this is the hair now. The hair is dry now, so I spray some sheen to add some shine. Now I'm going to do a sample for you guys on my this amazing beautiful mannequin head. I just can you see that it's very easy for you to section out. That is it. That is it. So now I'll braid a little for you to see that this hair is so amazing, and I didn't even have mousse to put towards the end of the video, so it's very important for you. So I said the tip of the hair after I finish braiding there, so it's very important for you to have mousse, because that is what you are going to use to maintain the coils after you finish braiding the hair on your hair. So if you want to see a tutorial, if you want me to braid these gorgeous coils on my head, these French coils, kindly comment down below. I'll be glad to do that for you in another color. So comment down below if you want to see a tutorial of these French coils on my own hair. So kindly please keep on watching this amazing video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share with your loved one, please, and please make sure you give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe also. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate your support and love, but please make sure you subscribe if you've not. Thank you so much. So keep on watching this amazing tutorial for you to see the final look. Thank you. So now can you see the final look? Oh my god, I did that one color, then in mixed color, any color of your choice, and the other side, that is how the coils came out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.